location settings to secure your iPhone. And to change certain location settings to secure your phone, go to settings and tap on privacy and security settings. And here tap on location services and disable location services, and finally turn off location services. And whenever you required, then use services. You can also disable location services for particular app. Open any app and allow location access. Four option you will find: never, ask next time, or when I share, while using the app, or visit. Choose never or ask next time when I use while using the app. The next one is, if you want to share your photos, certain photo location tags only share with your friends, family and friends. So you should also disable this feature. Go to photo app and open any photos which you want to share. Here go to options and here you will find all photos data. Original quality files will include edit history and metadata like location, depth information, etc. will share if you turn the toggle button on. So simply disable all photos data to share your files, editing, location to share with your friends. Disable this feature and thereafter share that photo.